So we just came from Knott's. Now we're doing Disneyland. We went to Knott's Berry Farm yesterday, so today's the 15th as when this video is being made. So probably be uploaded sometime probably on March or April of this year. So we just made it inside the park. So I'm planning to ride Matterhorn, but we'll just see what happens. But we're gonna go to Matterhorn. Here's under the park. They're starting to sell some stuff here. So they're starting to sell some stuff. And so when you walk in the park, there's already like stuff that you could see here. Like you could basically build some stuff, or not build, but there are like buildings that you could see here. So like theaters, shows. There are some shops, and then there's like a tram there. I think that's the Cassie Jr. ride. And then there are some food stalls here. There's a city hall there. So it's really, there's at least something for you to do here. So it's really nice. Okay, so we're here in the Mad Hatter store. So we're gonna check what they got here, the merch. I'll try to slow down the camera so you guys will have an idea. Got hats, bonnets, more bonnets over here. I'm looking for a Coaster Dynamics Nano coaster here, but I don't know if they have it. So here's some hats again. Goofy, magic hat, golden hat. More bonnets here for girls. Got a little dress for girls. I'm not sure where this is from, but it looks like this is Cinderella. And there are just bonnets here and hats themed to Disney characters. They even have Monsters Inc. And I have Disneyland Castle. They have a college or high school graduate Mickey bonnet. They have a regular bonnet. They have more. They have a Star Wars one. So there's no Nano here. So there's a pond here. Very nice, blue. We're in Tomorrowland. We're gonna ride the Matterhorn. Really nice roller coaster. It's really well themed. It's a waterfall. Built by Aerodynamics. So we're gonna go check this out. I think it's built by Tacoma. My bad. And it's a toboggan coaster. We're gonna go on the ride first. See you after the ride. It looks like it's not bad of a line. It doesn't look too long. I have a feeling it's about only 5 minutes wait, or 10 minutes wait. So I think most likely 10 minutes. So you can still go on it. So we'll fall in line. Then an update. It doesn't look like it's 10 minutes. It looks like it's 30-minute wait. There's a lot of people falling in line on Matterhorn. 30-minute wait. This is ridiculous, man. We just got off the Matterhorn bobsleds, and you know, it was a fun ride. Absolutely love the ride. Although the only downside is kind of rough and bumpy, so you know, it could be rough here and there. I think it would have been nice if they did some retracking or redesign the coaster. So Aerodynamics is bankrupt, so I don't know who would. Maybe Tacoma would try to retract the ride for them. So yeah, they should really patch up those rough spots on those coasters. So we're stopping by eating lunch. We're eating in the Galaxy Grill. We're here by Space Mountain. I gotta say, this drink is the Starlight tea, and it tastes like ubi for some reason. I liked it. I think this is ubi, the purple, and the bottom is the tea. And you know, it tastes absolutely amazing. Not gonna lie. So this is what I got for lunch. I gave me extra fries, tenders, mayo, Starlight, and a plain cheeseburger. Alright, so we're going on Big Thunder Mountain Railroad. So I upgraded to a Lightning Pass, Lightning Lane, because the line for Matterhorn was like 30-minute wait, and so I decided to upgrade to a lightning lane, so it's gonna be faster. Anyway, I'll see you there by Big Mountain Mountain Railroad. We just got off. I just got off Big Thunder Mountain Railroad, their SFX Dynamic Attractions Mine Train roller coaster. It was a fun ride. Enjoyed it. It's not rough. It was so smooth. You get a little bit of airtime in some of the parts of the ride, like when you're going through the walk work, like when it goes up, you get a little bit of floater air, which is like really cool. Adds effect to it. They're trying to like make this ride focus on ejector air or something like that. But instead, it seems like it gave you floater air time. One downside about this coaster, when we just came off the ride, they were taking off one train. So it's like they're running 3 trains, but then the line is like an hour long. So you know, the crew is kind of stupid for that. Why would they take out one train just because there's a lot of people? That train, that 4th train, needs to be installed there. I just saw them took out a train when we were like heading back to the station, and I don't think they should really do that. They shouldn't really take off a train. They should kept that 4th train there, because that's gonna, you know, that's gonna help with capacity. So if they take out a train, then obviously you're gonna slow down your operation. So I don't know what Disneyland was doing today. Why did they decided to remove a train on Big Thunder Mountain Railroad? I just saw they're putting it back to the coaster barn, and they're doing maintenance on the train. I'm pretty sure, but I don't know why they took out a train. Is it because they're low staff or something? So it is really awful for Big Thunder Mountain Railroad that they had to remove a train just because they have a lot of people. I just feel like that's kind of stupid. Anyway, we're gonna go to Space Mountain, but we gotta wait for a certain time, so see you there. Well, that was a ride. Just got off Space Mountain. Just like Big Thunder Mountain Railroad, you do get a little ejector air time. So actually I think it's more like a floater because it's not that strong, so I feel like you get a little floater air on this one. So you know, maybe it'd be funny though if Disneyland gets a B&M Hypercoaster, because they like to focus on some floater air. So if they give you a little bit of air time, then maybe someday they'll get like the Purple Dino themed hypercoaster here, or like what Coaster Studios was mentioning about. I forgot its name. So yeah, but it was fun. At first I thought it was going to be only 1 per row like Matterhorn, but when I went there, it's two across seating, so that's pretty much perfect. So I think they changed the cars. So I think 2022. So they removed all that single rider roller coaster, the trains on the track, so they replaced it with 2 across seating, I guess. But anyway, we're gonna head on to Disney's California Adventure. See you then. Park number 2, Disney's California Adventure. Probably gonna do just a little bit of clips because I think the video is getting way too long, but we're gonna ride 3 rides. So eventually I'll get on 3 of them. Oh, planning to go on 3 rides: Incredicoaster, Radiator Springs Racers, and Goofy's Sky School. And I don't know what I'm gonna do next. I'm surprised that Disneyland and Disney's California Adventure are the only parks, or the only theme park in California that still carries park map that are paper. You don't have to use an app. They still have park maps in this kind of theme park. The only theme park in California is Disneyland that carries still park maps. Six Flags Magic Mountain, California's Grand America, Six Flags Discovery Kingdom, Knott's Berry Farm. They don't have these anymore. They don't have park maps like these anymore. But if you're lucky, you came here this year, then you can still have park maps with you and to have a souvenir to take home with you. There's the Incredicoaster. We're actually going towards Radiator Springs Racers right now. So we're gonna go on the Incredicoaster after Radiator Springs. I'm probably gonna ride 3 rides only because there's really not much rides here to go on that I like. Mainly I like roller coasters.
In just 15 minutes,
so very first thing, go on Radiator Springs Racers. So we're on our way to Radiator Springs Racers, one of their newer rides here at Disney's California Adventure. There they go. Currently, the ride broke down, so we're a little delayed. We're still here in the Radiator Springs Racers queue line. We're stuck. Alright, after that 5-minute delay with the ride breaking down, don't know if we still have time to go on 2 more coasters. Radiator Springs is not a roller coaster, but I'll try to go on at least 2 more for tonight. And yeah, I'll call it a day. As you can see, Incredicoaster got a new light package. Right there, it's brighter as you think it is. It's kind of like a laser light, like you see on Fury 325. So they got a new light package on Incredicoaster, but that's what we're gonna be riding next. Currently, I think this is the last ride we'll be able to do. So, looks like they steepened the drop a little bit because last time I rode this South California Experiment, the drop wasn't really that steep. So I think they steepened the drop just a bit with the re-theme of the Incredicoaster. The steepened the drop gives you a lot more airtime than before. Before you don't get a lot of airtime. Now you're getting airtime. So I think it's better now. So we're gonna go on and go for Sky School. Actually, I think they're still letting people in line. So I'm gonna ride this one. This will be the last ride for today. Well, the ride's closed, so we left the ride. So we're gonna call it a day. So I had a great time, even though I only got 2 rides in. I'm gonna head on home, unfortunately.